Hey, Mother's Day coming. What are you gonna do for Mother's Day?
Don't know leh. Maybe I get cake, flower. What you getting?
Don't know, maybe bring her to like dinner or something. Flowers, cake, dinner, all this like a bit overrated. I also don't know what to do really.
Y'all should get bird's nest.
Eh, but how you know which one good ah?
This one I just learned recently. Come, I show y'all. So the last time when I was at the Yuan Sang store, Joyce taught me about all the different types of bird's nest. But did you know, other than the reduced sugar options, they also have the Superior Deluxe range. The Superior Deluxe got twice the amount of bird's nest, which also means twice the amount of poo.
Wow! Eh, here write stabilizer free. Means what?
With stabilizers, the liquid is more viscous, which makes the bird nest strands float evenly within the bottle, which makes less look like it's more. This means every drop of liquid in this bottle is 100% pure goodness from natural bird's nest. Yuan Sang is one of the only few brands in Singapore that has no stabilizers in their bird's nest. Now you know how to choose. But I have another secret for you. Yuan Sang is having a Mother's Day promo from now till the 12th of May with up to 50% off their bottle bird's nest.
Steady lah. Now I know what to get for my mother liao.
Up to 50% off, must
Okay,
buy
okay.
in war.
Okay, come.